What's going on, everybody? For today's video, we have a Supreme Fall Winter 25 Week 8 live cop. So this week is highlighted by the number 9 collab. That's just not my style of things I want to get, but that varsity jacket is absolutely crazy. I have a feeling that thing's gonna fly first. But let's take a look at everything in the drop today. So like I said, we are not going for the, oh wow, it's actually not at the top. So actually the number 1 most voted item this week is the Arc Thermal Line Zip Up, which I was thinking about getting the snow camo colorway, but I believe this is like $200. I'm not sure why this is not show. Oh yeah, so this is $200. I think I'm probably gonna sit that one out. The number 1 thing we're going for today though is gonna be the traffic cone. I think this would make a sick decoration at the store. So hopefully we can get that. I don't know why, but $58 actually seems kind of low to me. I don't know. I guess that's a confirmed price, so it should be $58. I did like that Umbro jacket, but we're gonna pass on that. The dice set was another thing I was thinking about getting, but that leather price tag is really high up there. It's $110 for this dice set, so probably gonna sit that out. And then we got the camo ripstop skateboard. This is gonna be the second item that we're going for. I just want the regular camo, not the snow camo, because I have that one in the snow camo colorway. I know it's not the exact same skateboard, but they look almost identical, so I don't really need both of them. So we're just gonna go for the regular camo. And pretty much all that's left is all the leather goods. Honestly, I like all of these. The leather clip, the wallet chain, the money bag I want so bad, but that thing's $400. That's crazy. I do really want that, but again, we're gonna sit that out. And our last item that we're going for is only so we can get free shipping. It's the Chunky Rib Classic Logo Beanie. This should be a super easy live cop. I really only think out of all the things I want, the traffic cone is probably gonna sell out the fastest. And I don't even really want these beanies. I just want the free shipping. So that's the only reason we're gonna try to get, I think we gotta get like 4 of them just to get the free shipping. So hopefully we can get that. This is actually kind of crazy to me. All the number 9 stuff is actually at the bottom of the list. All 3 of the number 9 items are literally in the bottom 4 items. That's crazy to me. I kind of thought people were gonna like this number 9 jacket, but apparently not. Maybe the price tag, because it is gonna be $700, but it is a leather jacket, so I would kind of expect that from Supreme. It's a pretty light week. We're not going for anything crazy. I'm literally trying to get this 1 cart. I really don't even want half the items that I'm going for. I just want to get that free shipping. I'm hoping it's gonna be an easy dub, but before we get into the live cop, make sure you follow me on Instagram as well as my brand Sudden. You could also follow my store, The Storm Factory. I will leave all the information in the description down below if you want to check any of that out. I do greatly appreciate it. So let's get right into this live cop. And we are live on the live cop. So what was last week? Oh yeah, so we had the Exorcist collab, and we had my favorite pants that I wanted so bad. We also really wanted this jersey, and I'm so devastated that I didn't go for this. I mean, I knew this thing was gonna sell out, but I didn't think this was gonna be the first item to go. I'm still pretty upset about that. And what else was there? Obviously, like I said, we had my pants, and I do really, oh, actually, I forgot to say though, I didn't even get these in yet, so hopefully they fit, but what else was there? So, oh yeah, and I'm sick, I missed the Air Forces last week. And we got, I think just a couple seconds, yeah, we got a couple seconds left until the live, I mean, until the drop. I don't know why I said live cop. Here we go. There we go. All right, so we're gonna try to add the traffic cone first. I hope we can get this. And where's the skateboard? There's the skateboard. We're just gonna go for this camo one. And then where, okay, so I don't want to go for the blue hat, so I'm gonna try to get these 4. You should be able to get all 4. Okay, dub, we got all 4. Now this should be free shipping, I hope. Yeah, free shipping, so let's go. Should be a super easy cop. Okay. All right, come on, let's go. What's going on here? There we go. All right, we're in. All right, we are in the queue. Is it worth even pulling up on the phone? I say this every single time. Let me see. All right, we're still in line. Should I just get like the same exact cart? Wow, usually by the time I make it this far on the phone, I'm already through checkout. I forgot a beanie. Dang, we're still waiting on that? Why is this not? See, that's why I never like using the mobile. I feel like it's so laggy, but I mean, that could be my Wi-Fi, I don't know. All right, so we're waiting in line on that one. Still, how long has this been? Are we might actually be in the line for a minute today. Still in line. All right, we are still waiting. I know you guys hate when I cut, but I've already cut this like so many times. Like, oh, we're through. Okay, we're through. Get through this. I think the traffic cone's still in there. Yeah, it's still showing my total was 278, so We should be good. Let's go. No, what just happened? Okay, I failed to capture somehow. Try this again. Okay, here we go. Here we go. All right, and we got it. And I think the traffic cone. Okay, yeah, the traffic cone is actually still in here, so that is good. So we got everything. Skateboard's still in there, and all the beanies, and the free shipping, so we're good. We got it. That was the one thing we were going for. Well, one cart, I should say, that we were going for. Let's see what's sold out. Oh, I forgot to say too, I actually kind of liked this shirt. I think this might have been the last voted thing. I thought that was pretty cool, but I don't want to go for it. What's the, oh yeah, here's this leather bag. I'm still so mad about the money bag. Still in stock, but I mean, it's only been a couple minutes, but still in stock. And so is the cone and the skateboard. So it looks like everything that we went for is still in stock, but I wonder about the camo. Oh wow, actually a full size run is kind of crazy. Maybe because it's the lined zip up, maybe? I don't know, but I kind of thought some of these sizes would have sold out, and some of these colors were pretty sick too. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Are we about to end the live cop right here? Yeah, both jackets are sold out. Like I said, I would have thought so. But I thought that jacket was sick. But yeah, I guess I could just end the live cop right here. And that's gonna do it for my week 8 live cop. Like I said, this was a very uneventful live cop. We just went for the one cart, and it wasn't anything crazy. I mean, the whole week was highlighted by this collab, and we completely just skipped over it. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys picked up anything from this drop. I'm actually quite surprised that the cone didn't fly. I mean, obviously the jackets did, but I don't know. I just kind of thought the cone was gonna sell out really fast, kind of like the bucket did last year. I know it's not the exact same item, but I kind of feel like that one had potential to sell out instantly. But for once, we finally got every item that I wanted, so that's good. And I hope this isn't the very first live cop you're seeing of mine, because I got a ton of other live cops that are way better than this one. This was just a light week, but I'm still trying to bring the video for you guys. So make sure you check out the live cop playlist on my channel to check out all my other live cops, and I got a bunch of other videos on there as well. Again, make sure you follow me on Instagram, as well as my brand Sudden and my store, The Storm Factory. All the information will be in the description down below. And if you did enjoy this video, make sure you hit the like button and make sure you subscribe. Hit the bell to be notified anytime I upload another video. And don't forget to let me know in the comments down below if you picked up anything from this drop. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out.